Hey guys, welcome to Wellness by Degrees. Today we're going to do a how-to on downward dog. So I'll show you the pose and then we'll go over some modifications. So to start out, let's go onto our hands and knees. We want to spread the fingers evenly, look down between our arms, and then curl the toes under, and we're going to press up, drawing our hips back and up, hinging on our shoulders, and we want a really long line down the spine. It's okay if the heels come off the ground. We want to be pressing evenly into each finger, spreading the fingers wide so that our weight doesn't go straight into our wrists. So this is a basic downward dog. The gaze might look at the mat, or it might come up between your knees or between your thighs. From here, if you're not quite here and want to modify, you're welcome to step the feet a little bit wider, almost to the edge of the mat. That can help. Something else you can do is bend the knees so that you can get a little bit more depth into this pose. Another possible modification is to come down to the knees and really stretch the arms out in front of you, drawing the chest towards the ground. Or you can even go into a child's pose, letting the head rest on the ground, stretching the fingers out in front of you, and resting either on the knees or opening the knees and resting the chest down between the legs. So that's downward dog. Thanks for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.